Yeah, very good morning.
Good morning. We'll start in 4 minutes.
Sir, good morning, sir.
Hi, good morning.
How are you, sir?
I'm all good, all good.
Thank you.
Yeah, good morning.
Yeah, hi, good morning.
Very happy, healthy morning.
Thank you.
Pressure.
Very good morning, sir.
Yeah, hi, good morning. Okay, it's 8 now. Let's start. Okay, we'll follow the same process. I'll mute everyone. And once I finish, then you can unmute yourself and then you can ask your queries. Just hold on. Okay, great. Okay, so good morning, everyone. So today's topic is how to prospect. As soon as we become ACP, and then we need to start our work, and therefore we need to know how should we prospect, whom should we meet, and what we should talk. So today we will have a very crisp focus that whom we should focus to prospect before moving out, before going out and talking to people. How should we prospect? We should prepare a list, but who should be part of what list is the topic for the day, right? So as I already told you, we will do the segment wise prospecting for your UPOS and partners, for your vendors, and finally your customers. Who is your prospect for, let's say, vendor, partner, or UPOS, or your customers? Of course, in every Kautilya, I do this. In every presentation, I remind you what we are. Like yesterday, I told you that you should feel like a king of your pin code because you are going to empower. But at core, you are a salesman. If you will behave only like a king and you will not move out in your territory, you will not move out and talk to people, you are you will not be able to grow your territory, right? You should feel like a king, but you should behave like a salesman. Like, you should, from core, you should know that you are there to empower this system through salesmanship, right? Because a salesman has only the capacity to build and empower. You talk about any company in this world, no company in this world can survive without a salesman. They might survive without an accountant, they might survive without anybody in the system, but they cannot survive without a salesman. So you should know, being a king, you have a responsibility of a salesmanship, because as a salesman only you are going to build and you are going to empower, right? And as I already told you that you are king of Global Garner, you are hub of empowerment. You will empower vendors, users, partners. This is your prime responsibility as an ACP. But many a times I have seen that people offer this opportunity to others, and if they do not accept, they get discouraged. But as a ACP, you should offer, of course, you should very humbly offer your offerings. If it is not accepted, you need to create the opportunity, because you are the Global Garner in that territory. If some brand is not coming to Global Garner, create that brand within your own territory, just like what Android did some time before. It was a good operating system. It might have gone to Nokia also, because Nokia was giant at that time, with a market share of almost 85%. It could not see the benefits of Android. But then Android has gone to Samsung, which was struggling at that time when Nokia was at peak. And you better know what has happened today. Now we have totally switched to Samsung. Samsung is the market leader in this territory, and it is all because of a joint venture between Android and Samsung, the partnership that they had, right? And today you see almost every other new mobile operator or a new mobile coming in is powered by Android only. And Nokia could not see that. It will happen with you also. When you will go and offer these offerings to maybe a big vendor, while recruiting a partner, you might get people who will say, no, it is not my cup of tea, this and that, because their stomach is full. You have to find that guy who needs your support. And mind it, there are only 1% people who will say that I am full. Rest, everybody requires your support. And I will tell you who are those persons. Who are these people whom you should talk and what you should talk, right? So when you are doing a prospecting, it's a very simple thing to do. When you are doing a prospecting for vendor, UPOS or partners, all you should do is explore your territory. Whichever pin code you are in, just take your bike, take your car, just walk around, explore your territory. It's the simplest thing that you can do to do your prospecting. Take a pen or paper, or maybe on your mobile, just keep on writing the prospect name. How will you find them? Simple. While doing this jogging or maybe just a survey of your area, you will find many vendors without a digital payment system, without a digital cashback system, or maybe any rewards. 99% of your vendors, local vendors, will not have any rewards on their local shopping. These are your first prospect for a vendor, right? Very honestly, I'm telling you, just go and explore your territory. Sometime we in thrust of getting more and more vendors, we do not explore our own territory. But now you should know that your territory itself has so much in itself. You need not to go outside. Most of the time people ask me, sir, if I go to another pin code, I'd go to Dehradun, I'd go to Jalandhar. Baba, first focus on your own pin code, right? So first thing is just move out, explore your territory, just like a king does. Just like anybody who wants to have a real grip of his business will go out in the real territory to explore the opportunities. So your pin code would not be more than 2 or 3, 4 kilometer radius. Just go out and explore that. If you feel that it is even bigger, take 2 days, 3 days time, but explore your own territory first, right? Just see what are the possibilities available there. And remember guys, your vendor is your best prospect for your UPAs, best prospect for your partners. Because as an ACP, there is no restriction on you how many vendors you can appoint, how many UPAs you can appoint, how many partners you can appoint, right? And during this Cortelia time, I will tell you how easy it is to appoint 18 vendors or 18 partners. And after that, maybe 2 months down the line, how easy it is to sell them a UPAS. So stay with us till the end of this Cortelia. Till 7th day, I think on Sunday it will end. But by that time, you will know how this is happening. And also on Sunday, please remember that we are launching our CMD club. We will talk about all the integrities of CMD club and then we'll launch that, right? Just hold on. Okay. Second thing is just the vendor, the prospect that you want. Search on Just Dial. People are paying there to get leads. Remember, whenever you will go and Just Dial, there are thumbs up. You will find this thumbs up sign in most of the vendors. These are the vendors who have paid something to Just Dial to get leads. These are the super soft target for you, because now you can just go to them and tell them, sir, because you are listed on Just Dial and I know that you require new business, because you are paying for leads which is not a guarantee of business, I propose you Global Garner services where we will charge only on successful business. We will not charge on leads. We will not charge when you are getting listed. And best part is that we will give you an offline and online services both. And everything comes with a postpaid model, not prepaid. Because these guys are the guys who have prepaid for getting listed. I think we are not following the simple steps which are there. It's already there. Whatever vendor it is in your head, it is already listed on Just Dial. All you need to do is just call them. You want plumber, you call them. You want medical shop, you call them. You can just raise a query and you get the list of vendors. Now it is up to you. Whom do you want to contact? It's that simple. First, what you have done, you have physically visited all your nearby area. Second is, if you want to sit at home and find vendors, Just Dial, India Mart. These are the places where you should go. Alibaba. There are many vendors who are listed on this and they are paying them. Either they are paying them upfront or they are paying them heavily on the sale which is happening. Just like if there is a local vendor who is placed on Flipkart or Amazon selling their product, you go and talk to them. I have done it myself. While designing Global Garner, I went to many vendors who were selling on Flipkart, Amazon, and they had so many problems. Like return policy was the biggest of all problems. They used to tell me, sir, ki people buy this product from us, they wear it for a night or maybe two, and then they return that because Flipkart has a no question asked return policy, so we have to take it back, and the charges are deducted from us. So you can propose then Global Garner that Global Garner is not such type of model. Secondly, we charge a much lower commission than Flipkart and Amazon also, right? So these are very simple steps how you should do the prospecting. And if you will do your prospecting right, guys, I'm telling you, your 90% of the job is done. And as I always tell you, big empire is always built by small activities. I have seen people thinking about the last mile, which is not in their KRA itself. I have seen MCP talking about a vendor. I have seen MCP talking about a user. Same ways, you also need not to talk about user. Your focus should be only on these three things: vendor, UPOS, and partner. Because this is your first, what do you say? नींव को पता नहीं इंग्लिश में क्या कहते हैं, foundation. These are your foundation. If you will lay your foundation strong, you will build a very big empire. And somehow I think people are not following these steps. Just open a newspaper which comes to your home. You will find at least 10 vendors which are in your area who would have advertised. People who are doing advertisement are the very soft target because they are putting money blindly without getting any business, without any guarantee of a business. So these are very soft target for you, because when you will go to them and tell them, sir, I will charge my commission only on sales, there is no way they are going to deny this, that we don't want to become your vendor, because they are already paying on such platforms and it is totally prepaid. Or if they are on Flipkart, Amazon, or any other site, they are giving a very high commission. So you should note this and you should use this in your script. Of course, we'll talk about script on 5th, 6th, and 7th day. But today, just focus on doing the right prospecting. Your radio ads. Most of the times you will see that your radio is talking about your nearby brands. Your TV, your local TV channels, you will see many of the TV have this bottom where you see the local ads. And finally, the hoardings in your area. You will find local brands are only 90% occupancy is by the local brands only. And by all these activities, you only need very few of the vendors. If I talk about vendors, you need not to have more than 100. If I talk about UPOS, you need not to have more than 50. If I talk about partners, you need not to have more than 10. So this prospecting, why I'm investing so much time on this page is that people miserably miss this only. They do not plan. They do not prospect. Even if okay, let me do this thing here also. We have 105 people here. How many of you have your prospect list ready? And just now you have to share it with me. How many of you have your prospect list ready? Today, how many of you have decided to meet whom? Sanjit ACP says 15. What is this 15? What is this 15? 15 prospects? I'm not talking about UPOS customers. I'm talking as an ACP. What is your prime responsibility? See, again, you are talking about customers. If you are a UPOS holder, it is okay. You're talking about customers. But as a prime objective of this training is that to empower our ACPs to build their empire. I'm talking to my ACPs right now. Do you have your prospect list ready? This is fourth Kautilya I am doing. And I know that most of you would have attended my last Kautilya also. Tell me how many of you have your prospect list ready with you right now? How many of you have that prospect list ready? How many of you have gone to Just Dial to fetch that list of vendors? How many of you have explored your territory? How many of you have done this paper advertisement? You have seen the paper advertisement and list down the vendors. I have won my lead for vendor, Mr. Swami Akuri. Again, I'll say the same thing. One lead a day is not going to help you. You should have the first thing as soon as you start. That is why I'm launching this CMD club. Because though we are teaching anything and everything, but people are not following. I want in that CMD club, I will check what I'm teaching is getting followed or not. You should have your prospect list. When I started my career with insurance, they taught me to do prospect 100. Who are the first 100 people whom I am going to tell about my this thing insurance thing that I sell insurance policy? They used to get this from us. Our first day of joining, we should have our prospect 100 list ready. Somehow, I think that is missing in Global Garner. I will bring that. You should have your 100 prospect list with you, from which you will get your vendors also, from which you will get your UPOS also, and from that you will also get your partners, because you need to only hit 50 UPOS. You need to have only 10 partners. You need to have only, let's say, 100, 200 vendors. It is very easy, but somehow we are making our life tough. We like tough things. We don't want easy things. Today, I request everyone who is watching me, please create your prospect list. It is really important. I'm telling you, this will help you. Create a milestone for your own self to achieve. Put that in front of everyone that tomorrow I have so many appointments. You should have at least 15 days appointments ready. If you will watch my calendar, not today, since last 10 years, I have my calendar ready. I have my calendar ready. I can tell you whom I'm meeting 10 days down the line. Therefore, I can organize anything. If you are not following, and this habit is not from today, I'll repeat myself. Since inception of my career, when I was in SDFC, I was told to create this, but I am doing it and I'm following that religiously. If you as an ACP do not have your prospect 100 list, you are wasting your time. You will not find the way. End of the day, you will be discouraged and you will move out. It is my promise. People who do not have their prospect list should create their prospect list today itself. If you have not done this, if you have not walked through your territory, if you don't know what shop is nearby your home, I tell you, any vendor I meet, my son makes like fun of me on that. Wherever I go, even yesterday I went to buy some plants for my home. I offered him a vendorship. So my son was laughing at me कि पापा आप जहां जाते हो आपको अपना ही business दिखता है. I tell them it is the high time this vendor is going to earn from me. Why I should not get him on board, because I'm not charging him. And therefore that vendor also got excited. He's one of the Ahmedabad's biggest nursery owner, and he is now coming on Global Gardener and becoming a digital vendor. And he was telling me, sir, I was trying to do something on digital platform, but I was not able to do it. But now I will be able to do it. He has almost, I think, would have at least 12 acres of land where he has built that nursery. You should look everyone as your business. I know it sounds really funny, but that will help you. If you don't know a nearby vendor whom you can empower, it is just a waste of time. Why I am doing this? I'm investing a lot of time on this slide, because rest all slides are waste of time if you are not following this. This is what I'm seeing. Therefore, I thought now I'll create a CMD club where I will personally go and check if you are making this prospect list or not. Let's decide to meet 100 people. When I started my career in insurance, I was told by my trainers, first go out and listen 100 no, and then come to us that this is not working. 100 no, because our trainer used to tell us that if you are ready to listen to 100 no's, we can guarantee you that you will listen at least one yes. And insurance is a product, when we used to sell, it was very tough. Today people are very aware, very much aware. Today challenges are different. Today challenges, there are so many companies coming together, giving so many offerings. Even market is more aware. At that time, the challenge was that people were not aware and they were not ready to be aware, right? So you should, and please mind it, guys, create your prospect list. Until and unless you will not have your prospect list, it is not going to help you. These 100 people prospect list will create an empire for you of 300 years. That is my guarantee. Just create this, because in just this 100 people list, you will get your partners, you will get your UPOS, you will get your vendors, which is required. And then your UPOS and your vendors will go out and give you users. Please focus on this part. Please, please, please. Do not waste your time. This will not take more than 5 days. If you sit at one place and just decide, just give yourself a time, 5 days doing nothing, only and only prospecting, you will have 500 people list. But I'm only talking about your 100 people list. Search what vendor do you want. Search them on Just Dial. What vendor do you want? Search them on Flipkart. You will find that vendor names written on that Flipkart vendor list. Though Flipkart will not give you that number and everything, but you can Google them. You will find them easily. It is so easy, but sometimes we are making our life tough because we love tough things. Please focus on, as soon as you are appointed as an ACP, please create your prospect 100 list. It's very basic, but it will help you. Then put an appointment. How you will take appointment, I will teach you that also. But you have to ready. This should not be a Babaji ka gyan for you. You should, whatever you are learning today, please implement that. Or you are going to learn in next 6 days. You have to implement that. Else it is all gyan that I'm giving. Again, I'm saying I'm investing a lot of time on this slide only to ensure that you should follow the simple step of doing prospecting. If now ACP is not getting into 100 prospect list, you should have first of all prospect list, then you should put a number to it, a date to it. Okay, I'm going to meet this guy this time. I have done it. Baba, I started this company. I was all alone. I used to travel from here to Mumbai every time when I want vendors in my panel. I used to make that list. I used to travel through train to Mumbai, and today you have the entire platform ready. I used to tell people about this platform on paper. I'm sure that was the tough task for me, because to get them visualize what I'm going to create. Today you can show the app to anyone. This is this brand, this is this brand. You click this, you buy this. At that time, I didn't have anything. But this prospecting I did at that time also. That I'm going to talk to these brands. I will go and talk to Bill Pay guys. I'll go and talk to Indian Oil guys. I will go and talk to Big Bazaar, Pantaloon, Shoppers Stop. I did all this. I'm just sharing my experience with you all. And remember, guys, without even a single app in my hand, I convinced everybody. I convinced everybody that this is about to happen. Same thing you have to do. I'm not asking you to travel 500 kilometers away. I'm just asking you to travel that 5 kilometers in your area. I think that is easy job. I used to travel through that 185 wala ticket. I used to travel through train only when I was building this Global Garner, because I never had money. No, I started this business with only 3 lakh rupees loan. I could not afford to spend money like anything. But today you see what we have created. Same ways you have to be that Global Garner in that area, not 500 kilometer, just 5 kilometer radius. Be that Vikas Rawat in that pin code. You have every element now ready made in your hand. And if still you are not going out, not traveling in that 5 kilometer radius, I'm telling you, you are losing out something really big. And if you are an ACP and you fear to go out and talk to people, you are not an ACP material. Become a partner. Because as an ACP, you have to go out in the field also, and you have to mentor your partner also. And it is so easy. I'm telling you, you join my club, I will make your life, of course, tough, but you will grow. Because I will talk all these silly things. I will talk all these small things. Because this is the biggest thing that you can achieve from doing small activities. You go to Just Dial guy, who has this thumbs up on it. He's paying at least 40,000-50,000 rupees to Just Dial to get leads. And that to those leads which are given to 10 other people also. Correct? So you have to understand that you are sitting on a gold mine and seeing you are not finding that gold. So I will request everyone, please today do your prospecting. You should have your prospect 100 list. And this is a very key thing for CMD Club also, that you have to do prospecting. There are stages that we will tell you, but of course, it's a key thing. Okay. Now let's move forward. Of course, I always show this ad to you all. Understand your vendor and market. If you are going to a vendor which is a grocery store owner and you are not aware of his hurdles, if you are going to a real estate guy and if you are not aware of his hurdles, if you are going to a vegetable vendor and if you don't know his hurdles, you have to have a knowledge of, you have to be jack of all. Though people say it is not good to be jack of all, but you in knowledge of every business. Today, everybody talks to me about any business, no? How I have developed that. I'm not a person from maybe an MBA who has been taught everything. I used to take my bag. I used to go to Lal Darwaza here in Ahmedabad, where I found n number of vendors. I used to just go and sit there. I used to talk to them. What is their hurdle? What is that? What are the margins that they reap? And people used to talk. Some of them, of course, resist to talk, but people, 90% people gave me a very good response where they told me about their business model. And I really admired that gesture of them. Yes, they used to tell me about their business model and how they are going to earn, what are the challenges. Therefore, today, whatever you see in Global Garner is a very practical model. Because I used to carry my bag, I used to go into BRTS, go to that location, search around. I have done all those things which I am telling you. And that has been a success mantra for me. I have invested 18 long months to build Global Garner without even a single penny earning. My wife used to earn, and I was only building this ecosystem just to understand how vendors operate, just to understand what is the problem area. When I used to visit these Flipkart guys, now they used to tell me, sir, our biggest problem is हम 100 रुपए कमाते हैं. Let's say I have earned 100 rupee, but I used they are losing 150 rupees. Why? Because next 3 sales are returned. They used to tell me our 60% products is guaranteed that they will come back. And then we have to dry clean it again. Then we have to do all the polishing again. And then we have to represent that. And sometimes staff doesn't do it well. Then it comes that it is a second-hand product, right? So you have to go out and understand that market. I will show you an ad, how beautifully this ad has been designed. How beautifully in just 30 seconds, Salman Khan is taking out the real essence of the problem of that vendor. And then that vendor himself is telling, sir, this is the problem. If you have solution, I am ready to it. Right? So let's see that.
अरे सहरा तो हटा गुप्ता जी. कौन? अरे भाई आप. अरे कितना ठूसोगे दुकान में. नया स्टॉक आया है, रखना तो पड़ेगा ही ना भाई. आपके दुकान में टॉफी रखने की भी जगह नहीं है. आप बड़ी दुकान ले लो. अरे भाई नई दुकान के लिए लगता है लोन, और हम दुकानदारों को कोई नहीं देता लोन. अरे भारत पे सिर्फ इसको रखो दुकान पे. पेश है भारत पे, ये दे बिजनेस लोन्स कम ब्याज पे. इसको लगाओ, धंधा बढ़ाओ. पे भारत पे.
Right? Just see. The first thing that Salman Khan pitched was, why are you putting so much stock in your shop where there is no space? Immediately vendor has replied, ki, if he is not going to put new stock, how he is going to sell, right? Now Salman Khan says that if stock is so important and you need to keep so much stock, why don't you take a new shop, which is a bigger shop? Now the vendor says, sir, that we are a small retailers and nobody is there to give us loan. Now here he is doing that fact finding, because he already knew that this vendor has this problem, but he wanted that vendor to tell this problem. He is not telling him that you have this problem. That vendor is telling his problem, and as soon as that vendor tells his problem, he immediately pitches his product that now you come on Bharat Pay, because when you become a Bharat Pay vendor, you will get loans from Bharat Pay only. Now, what else do you require? A simple 30-40 second script. This is the way you should think about this business. Before going to a vendor, just think what are his hurdles. Like yesterday, I pitched this our business model to this plantation guy, this nursery guy. What I told him, you have such a big nursery, you can do so much big volume. Why are you not doing? Go online. So he told, हाँ मेरा बेटा is doing that. He is getting into digital. उसमें 5-7 लाख रुपए लग रहा है. We are getting the website also, this and that. Immediately I pitched, I will make that website free for you. I will give cashback to you. So he told me, sir, then the labor part and everything. I told him that business model will remain with you. I will only focus on new sales. And we will set the margins right and this and that. And immediately within 2 hours, he was in to us and he gave us discounts also. He was, when we entered and we talked, my wife was taking the plans since long from him, but he never used to give her discounts. But when I proposed him vendorship and I proposed all these things, he gave us discount of almost, I think, 40 to 50%. So that was a big achievement for me because I could relate to his problems. Therefore, he He proposed me, okay, I want to become a vendor of Global Garner, and now he has yesterday visited our home also, and now he's telling that he will come with his son. See, this is how business is built. If you are not living your business, it is not business. I'm telling you. So you should, like in this ad also, they have very crisply pushed that product, and that product was actually asked by that vendor. If you see, they have provoked that vendor to that level that that vendor himself is telling that he has this problem. Second ad, same product but with a very different pitch. Listen to this.
हमेशा एक के साथ एक फ्री, किसको मिला? कस्टमर। तुझे क्या मिला? गंदा। तुझे लकी साड़ी में 10 किलो गोल्ड किसने जीता? कस्टमर। भाई टोली चिप्स खाते खाते भाई किसने जीती? कस्टमर। तुझे क्या मिला? गुप्ता जी, कस्टमर को तो मिलते आ रहा है समथिंग समथिंग, और आपको क्या मिला? नथिंग। और अब मिलेगा, आया है भारत पे। ये किसी भी ऐप से पेमेंट स्वीकार करे, ले 0 ट्रांजैक्शन फीस, ये बिजनेस लोन्स दे कम ब्याज पे, सिर्फ दुकानदार भाइयों के लिए। पे भारत पे।
Right? So it is so simple. Now they have pitched the same product, same loan, but against the reward system which was there. They told this vendor that whenever there is a reward, it is always for the customer, not the vendor. But now, because of Bharat Pay, you have a reward for the vendor also, and reward is that now he can get the loans. Same product, 2 different pitch. It is always there. It is always there. You should know how to pitch, and you will only know how to pitch when you study that market. It is not tough. I'm telling you, you need to just talk to people and you will understand that business model. I'm not an MBA guy. I do not belong to any business family. And in my professional career also, I only sold insurance policies. I don't have any exposure of any other business. Throughout my professional career, I only and only was into insurance. I sold insurance. I then mentored team who was selling insurance only. But today I almost know every business, how that business earns. It has, of course, come during my journey on Global Garner, where I used to talk to different vendors. But same journey you have to do. I used to travel thousands of kilometers to do this. I am asking you to travel that 5-kilometer radius. Become that Vikas Rawat in that area, that every vendor should know you. Every vendor should know that, yes, this guy is going to empower me. This guy is the only guy in this area who talks about my profit. Then only people will admire you. So do your prospecting right, guys. It is the key. Until and unless you are not doing your prospecting right, you will not gain from Global Garner. For sure. For that matter, in any business. In any business where you are reaching to a customer, of course, if you are a shop owner and people are coming to you, it's a different business model. But where you have to reach to the customer, you should know what to talk, when to talk. You should have, for same product, you should have at least 3, 4, 5, 7, 10 different scripts. I enroll any type of vendor today. I can enroll, I can challenge you, I can enroll any vendor. Let this corona time end, and whenever I travel any of your territory, you take me to any vendor, I can guarantee you he will be on Global Garner. This is my challenge. Because I follow very simple steps. I follow very simple dialogues. And that has helped me to bring any vendor and every vendor, right? I do not talk about the entire structure of Global Garner to any vendor. Never. I have never done that. I only talk on the pain points of that vendor. And before talking to that vendor, I do my prospecting. Whom I am going to meet. It is not that I suddenly decide, okay, today I'll go to that shop. If I'm going to that shop, I will pre-decide what I'm going to talk there. And I will create that environment through my talks that he should talk this to me, right? I will pull that point from his mouth only, right? So you should learn this skill, and it is a very simple skill. You all are doing sales throughout your life. Even kids today do sales. Whenever you are convincing your parents or you are convincing your kids, it's a sales. Where convincing is there, it's a sales, right? But we don't realize that. What I'm talking about today is do your prospecting right. Create your prospect 100 list. If you are investing this 1.5 hours today, 90 minutes with me, it should provoke you to create your prospect 100 list. Your 90% things will be solved. It is my challenge to you. Create your prospect 100 list. You will find how easy it is. How easy is the global Garner business. Just create that prospect list and we can talk in Ask Vikas tomorrow. You give your feedback to me. While creating that prospect list of 100 people, you'll find that how come it is so easy. Do it. Do it today. Please guys, do it today. Of course, your prospects for UPOS can be anybody: cable operator, insurance, multi-outlet owner, small business owner, housewife, a person who wants to earn extra income. Anybody can be your UPOS prospect. And best prospect is any vendor who is already doing a business, because that vendor already has a customer base. And the punchline for a UPOS is encash your current user base. Because today you cannot multiply your income on your users, you cannot multi-sell, you cannot cross-sell. Because of Global Garner's UPOS, you can cross-sell, you can multi-sell, you can multiply your income per user, which is already there. So anybody and everybody who is currently doing any business, currently getting is already into business or maybe interacting with different customers, is your best prospect. Correct? So anybody from this can be your prospect for UPOS. But create your 100 prospect list. You will already find whom you are going to sell this UPOS. And I'm telling you, this prospect 100 list will give you that income which you have never dreamed in next 6 months. And join my club where I will let you know how you get into the micro things, what you need to do daily, what you need to talk to them. Because of course, Kautilya, we cannot do that because it's a macro subject. But in CMD Club, we are going to talk about micro, because we are going to talk daily. It's a 9-month program, but it's my challenge. If you go through the entire program, if you survive. Why I'm saying survive? Because when I get into a business mode, I am very different personality. Of course, when I'm in public, I am totally different. When I'm in personal life, when I talk to my team, I'm totally different. But my only thing is that I challenge everybody to become a next version of themselves. So please, please, please create your prospect list today, and we can discuss that tomorrow in Ask Vikas. How you felt. I'm telling you, you will get a very good vibration when you will create that prospect 100 list. Do it today. If you do not get a good vibration, you come back tomorrow morning in Ask Vikas and tell me, Vikas, you were wrong. I didn't get any good vibration while creating this prospect 100 list. This prospect 100 list is going to empower, first of all, you yourself. It will boost your morale, because you will feel how easy it is to build my business. Because I need only 50 UPOS. I need only 10 partners. I only need, let's say, 100 vendors. Done. Because every vendor who will get on board, you can ask for 2 leads. These are very simple steps which were taught to us. This is how we have grown into our sales career. I have never visited a college also. Today I'm running a company. I don't know even an I of an IT. Today I run an IT company. I'm not even a proper graduate who has gone to a college and done a graduation. Still, I have worked with companies like SDFC, Birla, whatever you name, you talk about. And that too very senior positions. Because I followed my trainers. Because I followed these small things. I still remember whenever you used to be inducted in SDFC or Birla. Of course, Birla was not much of my training, never happened in Birla. But my best part was SDFC when I was getting trained. The same topic was discussed among all, but we were very few people who actually implemented those things in our life. But all those who have implemented those things are very successful today. I can tell you, I have names on my fingertips. The batch which I was in, all are super, like somebody is vice president, somebody is regional manager, somebody is zonal manager. All are big guys today in corporate also. Though they have not started their own business, I'm the only one who started that. But whatever they are doing, they are top notch. Who has followed their trainers? Because trainer also always tells a very simple thing. And somehow most of us believe that doing tough task is the key to build big empire. I think we need to go back to our books of training, and we should start following these small steps, right? So please do your prospecting today. Again and again, I'm repeating this because somehow I have a feeling that after even doing 3 Kautyalas, people are not getting into the prospecting list. Therefore, I'm investing so much time again and again. I'm saying, create your prospecting list. Just create it today. And I'm ready to be told that tomorrow you can come, maybe in Kautilya only. Tomorrow morning, come in Kautilya. I'll take 5-minute session where I'll ask you all, how do you feel today after creating that prospect list? If any one of you will tell me that I didn't felt well, my morale is not boosted up, I'm not feeling confident, I'm guaranteeing you, whatever you will say, I'll give it to you, because I know that always helps. Whenever I'm down in my life, I always go to my list of people I have. I think, okay, this guy I should talk, this guy I should talk, this guy I should talk. Okay, let me do a discussion with them. Let me see if this is going to work. But I get my confidence back when I go back and see my prospect list. Whenever I'm getting into, like, whenever I wanted to have an investment in this company, whenever I wanted to have my team, I always do this Excel. I always say that Excel is the best friend for anyone. If you are a businessman, please work on your Excels, because that is the biggest booster pill that you can have, right? Okay, what is next? So customer, of course, I'll not get into the customer. Today, prepare your list for your prospect 100 list, and then just give me a feedback how you felt, right? So now I'm open to questions. You can raise your hand and I'll unmute you. Okay, we have our first hand, Benix. Mr. Benix, you can unmute yourself. Mr. Benix, you can unmute yourself. Okay, Angels JK, you can unmute yourself. Guys, are you able to hear me?
Yeah, good morning, sir.
Angels JK.
I can hear you.
Okay, yeah,
good
please
morning.
go ahead.
Sir, actually, I am trying to make a jewelry shop as a vendor. I want to, how to pitch first. It's a small town.
I will tell you on day 6. Day 5, day after tomorrow.
Okay.
Today, you just keep them as your prospect.
Okay, already I have created a prospect list. It is already there.
So how many prospects do you have today?
not today, but in my pin code, I made a prospect list of around 40.
Okay.
Around 40 I made it. And other than that pin code, already I made around 32 vendors already on live.
Okay. So have you like, look, now next step is, let's say you have a prospect list. Let's say now you have asked me that what should I pitch to a gold vendor, right?
Yeah.
Don't ask me. Just go and do a Google.
Okay.
What are the margins if I start a gold business? You will get list of things that you are going to earn if you become a jewelry vendor.
Okay.
Prepare your script. Again, type on Google.
Okay.
What are the hurdles of becoming a jewelry vendor? You will again get an answer.
Okay.
Create a script around that. But today as we are only talking about prospecting, it is good that you have prospect list, but create it up to 100 people. Just create that, and I'm telling you on day 5, 6, and 7, I will give you the script also.
Sure.
Okay. Yeah.
I'm facing some challenges. Repeated results from the vendors that, sir, we have very thin margins. We cannot go. We cannot.
Don't worry. We will talk about that 5, 6, and 7. We'll tell you nobody has thin margins.
Yeah, definitely. But they tell it. They are hesitating.
Don't worry. That is why I'm telling you, on day 5, 6, 7, whatever I'm going to tell you, you yourself will say, yes, now vendor will come.
Definitely. Yeah, sure.
Yeah.
Sure.
Okay.
Thank you.
Yeah, Mr. Balu. Sorry. Mr. Balu, you can unmute yourself.
Sir, good morning, sir.
Yeah, hi, good morning.
Sir, I have two questions. One question I got answer from previous question. Actually,
Okay.
Sir asked it. And second is that I want to onboard a vendor who is doing a chicken business.
Hmm.
And he have some question like regarding, he already tie up with Zomato and Swiggy people. So he wants to get a business from them, like onboarding. Can I do that with that people also? As a vendor, he can do that?
Yeah, why not? And Zomato is charging them a good hefty amount. So you can tell them that they can pay us less also.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Again, this is also a very good segment. Huh?
Yes, sir.
You can go on Zomato and you can see the list of restaurants available there. It's also a
Yes,
very
sir.
good way to do your prospecting. It is for everyone. Huh? So you can do your prospecting by looking at Zomato also. You have so many apps today which are showing you local vendors in different way. And Global Garner is one platform where you can bring everyone, right? Yeah. Mr. Abdul, okay, sorry.
Yes, sir. And he has to do as a partner only, no?
No, he can
The
become
people
a vendor
who
only.
are
Directly, you can make him a vendor.
He's a vendor only. He's not a.
Sorry?
But the vendor, how can he become another vendor as a another
Okay,
vendor?
you want him to be a partner and therefore he can make a vendor also. Yes, you can make him, no? You can make him a partner also as an
No,
ACP.
sir. I don't want to do the Swiggy people are as a vendors. He
Okay.
asking me that I am a vendor. I am a vendor to global vendor. So how can I get them as a vendor to me? Like the chicken person who is selling.
So he can just refer that chicken vendor as a vendor of Global Garner, and again, you as an ACP or anybody of that pin code as an ACP can go and make that chicken vendor a vendor. He can just do a referral thing and
But
he will get 2.75% out of that.
He cannot do directly, na sir?
Directly, how we will do? Because without getting into a Global Garner ecosystem, he'll not be able to do it, no?
No, as a vendor, he cannot do a vendor, na? Another vendor, na? He can suggest also.
He can only refer.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah. Okay, any other query?
Okay, sir. Okay.
I
Thank you.
only see 2 hands and I have already answered them.
Sir, good morning, sir.
Yeah.
Sir, once the vendor is getting into agreement with Global Garner,
I will only restrict your question to prospecting only. Don't get into vendor model and then asking about vendors. We will talk
Okay,
about
okay.
vendors on day 5, 6, 7. Don't worry.
So sure, sir, sure.
Let's restrict ourselves to be to how to do prospecting only. The subject that we have taken today, right?
Okay, sir. Okay,
Yeah.
okay.
Mrs. Joseph.
Good morning, sir.
Yeah.
See, I'm trying to make a prospect list.
Okay.
So I just need to know what should be our criteria. There should be, there are small shops as well as big shops,
Right.
chain shops, and all those kind of things.
Hmm.
So we should segregate them, or we have to
Yes.
contact only few
Yes.
people.
You have to segregate them, because let's say you are going for a big vendor. He will require a proper script. He would require a proper address. He would require n number of things, because he is big. Therefore, he would require a proper presentation and everything. So for him, you need to have a different script, presentation, and everything. A local guy with a small shop might not require any presentation. You need to just talk to him. Correct? So he will have a different set of dialogues with you. So you should have a prospect list, and then you have to have a segmentation of that I would meet this vendor with my laptop, with this presentation, and I will meet this vendor without my presentation, but I will have a single pager for him. Because some vendors need not to be told about anything and everything, right? There would be vendors who would like to know. There would be vendors who will just say, okay, I'm ready to become a vendor.
Okay. Even very small shops can be contacted for that.
Yes. Even your shoe polish guy can be a vendor of Global Garner.
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah. Thank you. Yeah, Mr. R. Harish Greens.
Sir, good morning.
Yeah, hi.
Yes, sir, to prepare the prospect list, whether whatever data we have, or it should be only that area vendors list, sir, you mean to say?
It is always better to have your own list plus the list of nearby vendors.
Yeah, because we have not started working on vendors now still.
Yes,
So
you should start with them. Why? Because this will help you to create your 10 partners, because among these vendors, there will be vendors who would like to become your partners.
Okay.
This prospect 100 list will give you anything and everything which you are desiring since long.
Yeah.
Correct? You will get your 10 partners, you will get your 50 UPAs, you will get your vendors also.
Okay.
It's so easy.
Yeah, first should work on our own contacts, then we'll have to
Just
go
sit on a table,
Yeah.
go on online, just think, okay, I want 10 doctors in my area. Just search a doctor on Just Dial, right? I want, let's say, a cloth merchant in my area. Just search a cloth merchant on Just Dial. It's so simple.
Okay.
And search for a vendor who has this thumbs up also.
Yeah.
Because that thumbs up is given to him only and only because he has paid something.
Correct.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah, Mr. Manuddin B.
हेलो
या
सर गुड मॉर्निंग सर
या
सर मैं हिंदी में बात कर सकता हूँ
ठीक है बोलिए
सर एक्सएलसी जो ये है क्या बोलते हैं हम कंपनी को कहाँ भी जाके प्रमोट कर रहे हैं तो उधर कंपनी आके पेरेंटी राइट्स लिया हुआ है उनके बता रहे हैं सर
क्या लिया हुआ है
पेरेंटी राइट्स मतलब 187 कंट्रीज में पेरेंट राइट्स लिया हुआ है कंपनी
कॉपीराइट लिया हुआ है ओके यस
सॉरी कॉपीराइट्स लिया हुआ है
हाँ
सो दो आदमी ने मुझे पूछा है कि आप कॉपीराइट्स लिए हो तो क्या हमें बता सकते हैं क्या कॉपीराइट्स है क्या नहीं आपके कंपनी
बिल्कुल आपके स्टेट हेड के पास पूरा डॉक्यूमेंट है बल्कि आप कॉपीराइट नंबर उनको दे देंगे तो वो गवर्नमेंट की जो वेबसाइट है आईपी की वहां पे जाके चेक कर सकते हैं बट उससे वेंडर को क्या फर्क पड़ता है हमारा आईपी है नहीं है उससे उनको क्या फर्क पड़ता है बट ठीक है आपको चाहिए तो वो आप कॉपीराइट नंबर अपने स्टेट हेड से ले सकते हैं उनके पास है और मैंने कई बार उसमें ग्रुप में भी शेयर किया है अपना कॉपीराइट डॉक्यूमेंट जो सर्टिफिकेट है हमारे पास वो भी हमने शेयर किया
सर वेंडर के पास मुझे कोई
सॉरी
सर वेंडर से मुझे कहीं प्रॉब्लम नहीं आया वेंडर के पास हर जगह मुझे पॉजिटिव रिस्पांस आया है वेंडर्स बनाने में मुझे कोई तकलीफ नहीं आ रहा है लेकिन मैं एक ऑडिटर के पास गया था कल
हाँ मिल जाएगा मैंने बोला ना लीगल डॉक्यूमेंट आपको कोई भी चाहिए जो भी बातें हम बोलते हैं इसके सारे लीगल प्रूफ होंगे तभी हम बोलते हैं
हाँ
तो आप अपने स्टेट हेड से मांग सकते हैं इफ यू आर नॉट गेटिंग इट फ्रॉम योर स्टेट हेड just raise a ticket our team will send it from HO okay
Okay, sir. Okay, thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you very much, sir.
I will try after this meeting. I will send it again in our Telegram group, so everybody would have that copyright document. Okay. Thank you.
Okay,
Thanks.
thank you, sir. Thank you very much,
This is
sir.
good thing. Like I think I have shared it on WhatsApp. I have never shared it on Telegram, so I'll share it on Telegram also. So it is a good point. Thank you. Thank you, Mr. Mahinduddin. Yeah,
Okay, thank you.
Rajneesh, Mr. Rajneesh.
Okay, thank you very much.
Yeah, thank you.
Good morning, sir.
Yeah. Hi.
Sir, do we have a ready-made presentation for presenting it to the vendors?
Yes, we have that, no? And we have already given it to your state heads and everybody, and we have also put it in our Telegram group.
Okay.
There are videos also, and there are vendor-specific presentations also. There are videos also for only and only for vendors. There is 5-minute teaser also. There is 30-minute teaser also, only focusing on vendor, nothing else. And it's in both language, English and Hindi. And we are getting it in regional language also, in 8 different regional language. Very soon you will have that also, in maybe one month or month's time, right?
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Yeah. But right now you can use Hindi and English.
Yeah.
Yeah. Mr. Maulik Sheikh. Mr. Maulik Sheikh.
सर गुड मॉर्निंग सर.
Yeah, good morning.
सर ये प्रोस्पेक्ट लिस्ट में 100 vendors including relatives or friends.
Everyone, whomever you feel that can be part of Global Gardener, and everybody can be part of Global Gardener, just write them. Just be ready to listen that 100 no. I'm telling you, you will not listen 100 no's. So this 100 prospect list will give you an idea what to talk to people. So anybody you know should be part of your prospect list whom you want to be part of Global Gardener. Among them only you will get your partners also, your UPOs also, your vendors also, everybody will be from them. And at least you will get your 100 users on your own UPOs, right? Because for becoming a user, nobody can say that I don't want to become a Global Gardener user. Because anyways, in any of the cashback he selects, he gets some extra benefit.
बेस्ट है कि वेंडर्स है तो बेहतर है.
अच्छा है, मैंने बोला ना, आप किसी को भी, your prospect list is a mind map that you want to create. Simple. Whatever you want to focus, you can create that prospect list. I'm not restricting you to think beyond your relatives or maybe vendors or something. I'm saying you can think any member of your family also, any member of your society also, your nearby vendors also. I told you this, the entire catalog, no? Travel your territory, look at Just Dial, India Mart, newspaper, TV, your personal contacts, whatever you have, you should put it on a piece of paper. That will give you a script how you need to go to them, right?
Okay, sir. Okay, thank you. Sir.
Mr. Shibu Aniruddhan.
गुड मॉर्निंग सर.
या हाय, गुड मॉर्निंग.
मैंने ये पूछना चाहता मैं अभी एक लिस्ट बना दिया, ये अभी इधर का बहुत सारे दुकान का मतलब कैटेगरी का, अभी ग्रोसरी, प्रोफेशनल, टी शॉप, वेजिटेबल्स. अभी एक जगह पे बहुत सारे दुकान आ जाते हैं. अभी उसमें से हम लोग ये चूज करने के लिए कुछ टैक्टिक्स है क्या ऐसा?
मैं ये सारी चीजों पे आपसे बात करूंगा once you have done your prospecting. I'll talk about these things on 5th, 6th and 7th day, right?
Okay, thank you, sir. Thank
you.
Okay.
Mr. Joseph.
Yes, I would like to have a suggestion from you, because I once I made the prospect list. Is it better to go to the vendors after studying it properly, or keep starting from the small vendors right now?
I will always suggest, even if you are starting from the smallest of the vendor, do your study properly. You should know what are the basic hurdles of that vendor, and it is all available on even Google, or you can do a general survey just by visiting any vendor. What I used to do when I wanted to understand about the businesses, different businesses, I used to just have my bag and I just go, and at that time I used to go to these vendors when they are free. Like generally, if you talk about Ahmedabad in afternoon, generally vendors are free. So what I used to do is I used to carry my bag. I used to go to them, sit there, and whenever they are free, I used to just sit there and study their business model, what they are talking to people, what people are talking to them, because you will see that that customer is creating some hurdle for him. Just sit there and observe. You will get the entire category clear in your head. Now, what are the hurdles of this business? It is a very simple thing, but sometimes we don't do simple things. Whatever knowledge today I have, it is because I went to them without any cause. So same way, without doing a maths behind, before you go to any vendor, just do that maths in your head. That, okay, this is the local vendor. He will be having a problem in getting digitalized. He will be having a problem with digital things coming up, because now people are comparing him with digital. He will be having a problem with the cashback. He is not able to give cashback. He would not have any reward structure. These are the points now you need to pitch to these vendors, and then they will do it. No issue.
Yeah. So it is better to go to the vendors after.
It is always better to go in field in a battlefield with your weapons, no? So without weapons, you will be killed.
Otherwise, we will lose that chance, no?
Yes, yes,
So
yes.
once we are getting that chance.
I always say to my team, whenever you are talking to someone, you talk it like that. This is your last chance, and this is your last guy. So you put everything into it, right?
Okay. And we should have complete knowledge of Global Garner also. They might be asking 100 questions.
Very important, because if you talk anything which is not there in books, it will fire back like anything. Like that gentleman just asked, what is the copyright? Is this really copyrighted or not? This and that. You should have all the legal documents of Global Garner, so that you can be confident enough to tell them that this is the certificate. And if he's even not convinced, you can say, sir, go to this IP website of government, put this number, you will find Vikas Rawat name there.
Okay.
So therefore, this is how you will build that confidence in that vendor, or maybe anybody you are talking about, because vendor doesn't mind if it is copyrighted or not, because it is none of his business to see that. But some of the vendors will ask it, right?
Okay.
So it is okay, but you should always have adequate knowledge about Global Garner and a bit of a knowledge of that guy, at least his hurdles.
Okay. And vendor can display his promotional kind of things in our this thing in the gallery.
And very soon, maybe in day or two, you will have our new website coming up for vendors, where they will get the entire catalog, the entire e-commerce thing on their from us.
Okay. All right. Thank you. Thanks.
Okay. Please send once again vendor presentation. Okay, I'll do that. Good morning, sir. Can I ask you a question? Yeah, Mr. Matthew, you can ask your question.
Namaskar. Good morning, Vikas sir.
Yeah, hi. Good morning.
Of you hearing you in this morning.
Yeah,
actually, thank you very much. You are very impressive and very practical what you are saying. And I have a request. Did you ever write any book about what you are talking about? So that
I'm very bad at writing things. I'm not a learned guy.
It's not a joke. It is very impressive to lead a person to the right track where exactly he can do his homework and get the output.
Surely, if there is some person who is ready to write, I can talk. I am good at talking.
Very good. Okay, sir. Let me find out somebody there. Thank you very much, sir.
Sure. Okay, guys. Thank you very much. We will meet tomorrow morning, same time, with a new script. And tomorrow, again, it is your technical session, how to use Global Garner. All platforms, Amit Sandhu will be taking their part. So thank you very much. We'll see you tomorrow. Thank you.